Hello, today I'm going to show you how to search Proquest Central database from the OCC Library. We're going to start at Google and type in OCC Library. The library will probably be your very first result, so we're going to click on that. Scroll down to Databases A to Z, and this will take us to the database page for OCC. You can either click P for Proquest, or under Popular Databases, scroll down and click Proquest Central. From here, we're going to run our search. You can use the advanced search as well. I'm going to show you the basic. Let's say your topic is climate change. You can type climate change into the bar, and then you want to type the word and then you want to narrow your topic down. So let's say you want to focus on the extinction of animals and how climate change affects that. You can type extinction as the second word. Doing this will allow you to get better results. If you put a whole bunch of words in the box, it's probably not going to give you much. And if you are not getting the results that you want, you probably need to change what you have in there. Following this method will help you do that. So you can see we have 20,000 results. That's too much for us to go through, so we're going to try to narrow this down. You'll notice the results are primarily from newspapers. This database does tend to show you newspapers first, but for college research, a lot of times newspapers are not your best source. So maybe we want to look at scholarly journals. And over here where it says source type, you can see there's a link for scholarly journals. If I click that, it's going to narrow my results down, and now I have 2,800 results. I also want the most current materials for this topic. So where it says publication date, I can make this little slide over and click update, and now I have only scholarly journals from 2020 to 2029 show up in my results. From here, if I want to look at an article, I'm going to click on it. It's going to show me the article here. It's a little difficult to read, so you may want to download the PDF or print it. You can also cite the article by clicking the Cite button, and you can copy and paste this into your paper. Please do be aware that the font may not match the font that you have in your paper, so you will need to make it align with everything else in your paper, and you may need to make some minor edits to the citation as well. If you want to use this URL, it does not work. Once you leave the browser, this URL will not pull this article up again. If you want to pull up a URL, you need to go to Abstract Details and scroll down to where it says Document URL, and then you're going to copy that instead of the one that's at the top. PDF or emailing the article is another great way to save your work. The abstract that's here at the top is a summary of the article, and that can help you figure out whether the article is something that might be helpful to you before you actually read the article. Just don't cite that in your paper. That's the quick overview for Proquest Central. It's a great place to start your research, but it does give you a lot of results, and narrowing them down is very important. If you're having trouble, please let us know, and we'll be happy to help you out.